Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the PCV valve on this 2008 Nissan Armada. The part number for the PCV valve is 045-0350, and here are the tools I'll be using: a 3/8 ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, a vice grip to remove the clamp, 8mm socket to remove the engine cover bolt, 15 and 16 socket to remove the PCV valve, and that's it. All right, you need to remove the engine cover. It's held on by two 8mm bolts. You're going to lift it up and pop it out of the grommet. So on this engine there's two PCV valves, one here and one on the right. To remove the PCV valve on the right side, I'm going to remove the clamp right here that's holding the hose in place. And then I'm going to pry this hose out of the PCV. You need a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. It's going to be stiff, so you got to be patient and pry it out slowly. Once the hose is out, I'm using a 15-16 socket to remove the PCV valve. Now I'm going to replace it with a brand new one. This one has a gasket right here, as you can see. And I'm hand tightening this with a ratchet. Don't over torque it. So same thing on the left side of the PCV valve. The hose back in. Now the clamp. Now put the engine cover back on. Make sure it's on the grommet. Put the two 8mm bolts back in and tighten it down. And you're all done.